What's up, man? It's your boy Coyote 10, and we back at it with another one, man. And my bad, I'm sick. I'm so sick, man. Y'all can probably hear it in my voice. But today, I got myself a carbon fiber deck lid for the Mustang. I'm gonna record it for y'all. I'm gonna do a time lapse just because I'm sick, and that's how you know I'm putting a lot of work and effort in this, man. Cause man, this year is our year, everybody's year, man. I swear we all gotta have consistency and just do whatever we want, and whatever we want to accomplish, that's what we gotta head forward to, man. Sorry, I can't right now. I can't speak. I can't think. I can't think straight just because, man, I'm really sick. But I'm gonna do the time lapse. So I'll catch you guys at the end of the video, man. I just got it off. Now we had to replace the backup camera and then like all these the pins and everything onto the new one. So I will be doing that. I will be doing that first, and then I'll just record it once I apply it again. I'll put it on. Super dirty, so I might just clean up under there. So I just got done. It was a pain in the butt, bro, taking off the little I guess like little brackets where the screw goes on. So I had a little hard time taking them off, but and aligning up the deck lid with the trunk and everything was a little hassle, but we got it all completed. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. And next thing, I'm probably gonna get a badge for it, so it won't look so empty. But here goes nothing. It is. Here it is, man. Look at this. That looks so good. And some of the brackets freaking went down inside the trunk, so you guys are gonna hear them. There you go. And then, but sooner or later, I'm gonna get a carbon fiber trunk, so it doesn't really, bother me too much. But yeah, man, here it is. Yes, sir. Man, and I also installed the badges. I just got the badges yesterday, actually. So it's coming back together. Making it look a little bit better. Damn, that looks so good now. Only if I had the full carbon fiber trunk, that would look so damn good, man. But yeah, I gotta stay tuned for the next one, man. We finna be crazy. We have to see what else we could get for it. I know I'm doing my oil pump gears and my timing chain with my tensioners, and maybe even my the camshaft solenoids, because they're not bad, but for its 3rd gen and then the 18-year the first production of the 10 speed, they go bad easily, so they have more like, how can I put it, they have more problems, they come out with more problems than others. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully everything goes smooth. And I got a homie installing them, so it'll be on the 12th of this month. So oh shit, my bad, y'all. Man, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Hopefully this little short video. Hopefully I like it. I mean, like I said, I'm so sick. Hopefully you guys, you know, support the brother. But yeah, man, peace. See you on the next one, man. Thanks for watching.